Today I'm going to show you how to do the double crochet. That's the US double crochet. I'll start off by doing my slip knot and my foundation chain. If you don't yet know how to do this, I do have another video that explains this in a lot slower and in more detail for you. So if you don't know how to do that, you just refer back to my other videos where you'll find a nice wee handy guide. So once you've done your foundation chain, you would work into your third loop from your hook. So 1, 2, 3 here. This then just means that these would become, the first two loops would become your, what would be like your first double crochet. That is what helps build your work up. So every time you get to a new row, you would have to do 2 chains, which I'll explain when I get to the end of this row. So what you would do to start this stitch is you would yarn over your needle, or your hook, and you would then go into that third loop, like I said there. You would then have the 3 loops on your hook. You would yarn over and this time pull through 1 as this is your foundation chain there, or your stitch if you're on the next row. So you'd still have 3 on. Yarn over again, this time pull through 2. And you'll still have 2 on, yarn over and pull through both of those. And that completes your first double crochet there. So that again was yarn over into your loop, yarn over and pull through the 1, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So that's yarn over into your loop there, yarn over again and pull through the 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. So this one builds a lot quicker than single crochet. It's really easy to do and will be found in a lot of patterns, so it's really useful to know. So I'm just going to work all the way to the end now of this row here, and then I'll show you how to build up into your next row. Okay, so now that we're at the end of this row, I'll just complete this last double crochet. So now that I've completed the row, in order to build up, I will need to do those chains. So with the double crochet, like I said, you would need to do 2 chains at the end of the row before turning to do your next row. This allows it to just build up the way. So again, that's yarn over. At this point, you would go in the first stitch closest to your chains. That maintains that nice straight edge as you're working up in your rows. And then you just continue on going through those top loops, doing the double crochet. So that's in the top loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. So that's yarn over into those top loops, pull through and pull through. So I hope that's easy enough for you to see there. That's into those top loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. And this just allows you to continue on with these double crochets. So this I use for lots of different patterns. I make a lot of hats, beanie hats for babies with this, or if I'm building blankets, things like that. It's a really useful stitch to know, and you will find it in lots. So I hope that this has been useful for you today and that it's helped you learn how to do the double crochet. If you have any questions, please just let me know. If you thought my video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials. Thank you.